Hi there, in this video we are going to talk about a new plugin called Post Moderation for BuddyBoss. So if you are a BuddyBoss user and you have BuddyBoss platform in place, then you might know the moderation feature of the BuddyBoss. If you don't know, then I would recommend to go to BuddyBoss settings moderation, and here you can watch the tutorial from them. Sorry about that. So let me switch back to admin. So yeah, if you go to BuddyBoss setting moderation, then you can see the tutorial how the moderation works. Basically, moderation is all about reporting the content on the site so that your site remain clear and no any spam or abusive content lies on your website. So if you go to setting moderation, so by default BuddyBoss doesn't provide this post moderation. So if you have a blog post on your site, BuddyBoss doesn't support moderation of the post. Other than that, activity group and etc., they are providing support on that. So for that, we have this plugin called Post Moderation for the BuddyBoss. You can have 7-day free trial for the plugin. Link is in the description section. So I have already got this plugin and I have activated this plugin, Post Moderation for BuddyBoss. Once you activate this, go to BuddyBoss settings, moderation, and then enable post moderation. And I will enable auto hide post after 2 reports as well. So if 2 people reports a content post, then it will be hidden from the website. So now what we can do, let me open an incognito window. I will log in as another user. So I will go to members. I will log in as Luna. Now I am logged in as Luna. I will go to blogs. Here are the list of blogs we have on the site, which is post. So I will open this, and here you will see the button called report post, and if I click, you can select the category of the report, and once you do that, it will be reported to the admin. Now here in the admin section, BuddyBoss moderation, report content, here you can see the list of reported content, and this is the reported content we just reported. Sorry about that. Just reported by this user Luna. Now if I go to blogs, still it is displaying. Now I am going to report with another user. So let's switch back to admin, and I am going to log in as Bunty1. And now if I go to blogs, and I will report the same post. So now it is as per our this setting. If 2 reports has found, sorry, it will auto hide post. So now if I go to blogs, remember the title. So if I go to blogs, now that post is not displaying on the site anymore. And if we go to BuddyBoss moderation, and sorry about that. So if we go to BuddyBoss moderation, reported content, so now that post will be there in the hidden section. So this is the post 812. If I show you this, so this is the reported post, and now this, it is not there on the site anymore. So this is how the post moderation for BuddyBoss works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section, and I will provide this plugin link into the description section. You can have the 7-day free trial of this plugin. So thanks for watching the video.